My country people them. And they throw away salute for Berlin, for Cameroon, for USA, and all over the world. This one na original Tori master. We don't come for Tori, una better Tori. They call me Grand Casserole. Yeah. So I get plenty Tori to them make with Tori, you know. Grand Casserole, na newborn baby. Now new TV where they just born in. Today na our first broadcast, and if mistake then they wanna no worry. We go better am. Today na first day. You know they say Rome was not built in a day, so we go dey grow small. We go creep, we waka, they go run. So now so it go be. So if we make any mistake today, I beg, we go now just take we the way we will just start go better am. So for Tori, I get two better Tori today for share with una. First, we go for all people the way they get picking the way they did for Europe here. And for Germany, Berlin in particular, because this palaver, school go start, school no go start. School go start, school no go start. Which one they go start? They tell we say school go start for Monday. Bam. We don't run, we reach for school for Monday, we begin them. We ask teachers, they say, now how? They say, no. School day now only for picking the way they did for final year. The one the way they did for class 1, class 2, class 3, una go back on a car, go house. Papa and mama, they go teach una. A problem that too. Papa they never go teacher work before. Mama never go teacher work. How they want to start teach speaking? Hey. So that's so the problem there. So na big problem for all papa them for Europe here. For plenty European countries, na big problem. You get for start learn for teacher picking for house. You get for start learn sums back where we don't live a long time. Arithmetic, carry over, you know, carry under, all these things they carry over, carry under. Now wonderful thing. But you know, now we will find them. We must teach that picking them. I call some my friend from France. He said the whole place people they decrease. Only how many days papa and mama don't stay with that picking them. They say the picking the one kid them. They say no thing at so hard. So that they give a hand of applause to teacher them for the big work way that they do for landing speaking the book. Now very hard thing. So as all these challenges that they come, now with Grand Casserole, I don't go discover so small corner as my share, so that I go help one or two papa them. You understand now? Yeah, because some papa they not be used to this kind of thing. But some of we don't they fight and sing. So again, my small corner, I see my share with now. Sometimes I go help somebody. So as they come house, so they give them assignment the way they go do and so the year go end. So some papa they not go fit afford money for pay teacher make a candidate teach them because na plenty money for this bush go dey here, so plenty money for get private teacher. You must get plenty money. So some parents they not go fit afford for. So for the ones the way they not go fit afford for, now the small trick they will fit manage them, will help that begin them. So they go finish this year also, they go back for school with better sense for their head. So like if you take the beginning book, you go look now the sums the way they do. You don't know how they teach, they do the sums. You get for go for YouTube, go for Mr. YouTube. Go tell you say, Oga, I get picking for class 2, and how they solve this kind of topic for math because I want help the picking. You go write a picking class, you write the topic there, bang, so you enter. You see some man go just come up for YouTube, so you go just come. Go start show you how they do that kind of place. So you carry one, you put here, carry two, you put here, this plus this, now this minus this. It go show you all things. You should don't you learn. Then you feel go now, you go teach your picking. Why would you do so? Because we all would not learn for other countries them, and our own learning system is they different, and we no one can confuse who are picking them. You understand? They get their style. Make we try to teach them for the style way they don't teach them. Even if we not teach plenty, but they go still remember for the lane. They go still remember for that roadway they don't take the waka, so that they no go astray. So now as my can share on, I will help one or two papa there. The second point. Now so the pikin that they have, they go scatter the whole house. Mama go crack her head, shout today, it's not easy. Or if mama if five thing they don't buy put her for that pikin they go scatter her all. So Now what the best mama una take heart, una be strong. We know say not easy. They go chakara all na beauty. But at the play the parent they too, una find small space, give the pikin them too for house. They feel they learn, they concentrate. Because most of the pikin their problem, they complain, they not fit concentrate for. They want watch TV, they want do this. So na problem. So make we take time now. We try for real. We will scatter the house now. But mama, una no vex. After 3 months, una go fix una house back the wall, una put una yanga flower everywhere, so they pikin them, they go don't go them back for their school. And so it go make things easy for we. So I beg mama, una no vex, una just try for arrange that room so that pikin they fit get some space where they fit learn book too for day. Where they fit go next year, they not lost. They still be for the lane. Una hear me now? So, and for art, that people the way they get people there for Africa where they don't they help them. I want back my people there for Africa where you get brother here or sister or papa here where don't they send you even now 200 euro every month. If you know if you send now, no vex because the trouble too much for them too now. So make you know why give and stress. So my friend called me the other day, tell me say, auntie say me send him money for house rent. He asked me say, Tori master, what you want a man do? I say tell you the truth. Tell you not get. You know, so even at the accent, some people they not the fit talk and they but they die suffering. You know go fine. If that man die, even in the future, you know go get again. So protect it, help it, support it, you know, understand with it so that when things they fine, you know, will start enjoy back. People they like to help, but if people not help this time way problem time, more gonna understand. You see, because the pikin the day has now full time. The one day they chop bread for morning, even time you just can drink coffee, sleep. Now lie. Now so. They go finish your fridge or finish all things. Chop this, drink this. You go knock your eyes to take. You want to follow them for back. It's not easy. So make we understand. We will see how we know say God will help. We will get through this thing and we will start living our life back normal. You see, even the other day, I go meet up this speaking. Mami came. I the ask say Mami came. Now so way you get for stay for a house learn book. Are you happy? Here wait till the pikin tell me.
Nein, ich vermisse so meine Freunde, meinen Erzieher, meinen Lehrer. Ja, zu Hause ist es so langweilig, man kann sich nicht konzentrieren, nur zu Hause bleiben. Und ja, wenn der Coronavirus zu Ende ist, kann man zur Schule, kann man sich konzentrieren und dann gibt es eigentlich wieder Spaß.
So as I tell now, it don't bad. Even as I tell now, so I go for I say make I go. You know this place for Belleau they call and say this place they call and say Potsdamer Platz. For day I go there, my brother. I'm surprised. Now for the way Jackie Chan pikin come do all their karate, them Jackie Chan, Rambo, they can showcase their film. People that they come, the place get free internet, free to people they just can they internet they fast day like aeroplane. People they just can they do their thing them. Yahoo, they do their thing them. For they go them. But now I go there. Una see I go there. Now desert, nobody not there. It means say thing the bad, nothing they happen. Una hear me no? Una see am.
Na Potsdamer Platz that. Na Berlin Wall that. Nobody for take photo. Completely empty.
Una see? Empty. Okay, before I want end, I guess we want to read. The one especially for Berlin people demo. Anybody where get 4 tire, yeah, but not so. Where the you get something, Make I come for tell when I say things they change this time for Corona. People the way they use that road from Potsdamer Platz to Hauptbahnhof. That Connie whole way they pass underground, where they 2 kilometers. You drive so you bust for the other side for Connie Hole. It been a conshot. Plenty people don't use that road. But I want to tell when I say during the time of lockdown, so bury them now. They don't go put camera, nyakti, put camera for day. They don't go put photo journey for inside there now. So if you just drive, you come so photo journey, they knock you check up one photo. That photo, I don't know how much it costs now. So when you enter inside that tunnel, they say drive 30, just drive kunya 30. They say 50, just go 50 because if you just touch small, so photo journey, you just knock you one photo. I know how much it will cost, my brother. Now, difficult time, we're not there ready for spend. We do instead want more money, so make man not fall victim.
So una see, una know this thing no? A traffic camera that. If you just pass, it did knock you photo one time.
If he snap you so, they go just come give you the photo, but you go pay it there. So make we not be victim. I did tell all my Berlin people the way they get boom boom. Una understand now? Make man not fall near for day because you go pay a ref from Butuku, not damage for those. Una understand? So Tori Master don't come to the end of the Tori today. I just want to thank una for watching. Say make una share this video, make it go viral. Na my first production this. Una share am well. Una subscribe for our YouTube channel. Una follow we for Instagram. Yeah, una follow we. We come for stay. We no want go back. With the back una. We know say na only una support make we will stay for a long time. Una understand now? So again, we dey try for better any person wey dey outside the way like this TV. I think say if you work with we or if you help we financially, morally, spiritually, I don't know, physically, technically, we dey welcome all help. I bet make una come, una help. We dey open. My email dey down there if you contact we. My number dey down there if you contact we. We thank una for watching once more. And we'll make una stay blessed, stay safe. We pray say God will take we through this corona period and we'll go start live our life normal again in the next coming months. Stay safe. Respect the lockdown rules and we pray say all una we will meet up maybe for the next 2-3 months safely and we'll start do our activities as normal. We will go our disco, we'll do our things. So please subscribe to this channel, share our video and make it go viral. We count on you. Stay blessed. One love. Is Grand Casserole reporting all the way from Berlin. Your number one Tori Master.